Kerala style coconut chutney for rice. We can also serve it along with idli and dosa for best taste. Let's move to the video. In a grinder jar, take 7 red chillies, 1 inch size ginger, 5 shallots, 1 small lemon size tamarind, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Grind it slightly like this. Now add half teaspoon Kasmiri red chilli powder. Everything has mixed well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Our Kerala style coconut chutney for rice is ready. We can also serve it along with idli and dosa for best taste.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.